haven't talked to you guys like in this whole video, but I've just been doing work, as you probably saw in the other time lapses, and I'm gonna do more work. But it is 4 p.m. and I just took a shower, so my hair is like in a towel like it normally is, and I'm not wearing any makeup, which is actually not strange to me at all because I haven't been wearing makeup like last couple of weeks. It's only like once or twice a week, so it's not like I'm completely not wearing makeup, but like I do it in moderation, guys. So just a life tip for you guys. And now I'm going to do more work like I said, but today's Friday. I don't have any school today because it's parent-teacher conference, which is awesome, but this week has just been so long for a 4-day week that is like honestly crazy to me. But yeah, so I'm happy it is like Friday, so I have a 3-day weekend, which is great. So I have a lot of stuff to do. I have to do this thing for graphic arts, as you can see. So it's like Suicide Squad, and then I have to make a collage with like all of like the characters. So I'm gonna not do that, so I'm going to start over, but just a little example for you guys. And then I have to do my leadership speech on this philanthropist that I'm researching on, and I have to do that. I have to do a half-page summary on the person. So yeah, this should be fun because I can't find a lot of information, so this will be fun. I've been putting it off this whole week, so that is what I'm doing. And I'm gonna clean my room, I have to clean my makeup brushes and and I have to edit some videos so for next week. So I have a lot of stuff to do, so let's see if we can get this done in like 5-6 hours. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Guys, so an update. I finished my speech. Took like 2 hours, but it's fine. It took a lot of research for this, but it's cool. So I finished it. I'll show you guys. This took like a good amount of time, so I just like answered all these questions, and I'm gonna like put them in a speech and stuff. Like I don't really know. And then I had to make this like half-page thing. So this lady is Laura Arnold. That's her husband, John. So that's what I gotta do, and then I have to make sure I remember all of that. So yeah, like there's not really like a structure to this class and the speech, so I think I can just like use this as my thing. So that's that. And then now I'm gonna work on my graphic arts project to create a photo collage of Suicide Squad, so I might do a time lapse of that. I have a bunch of laundry, as you can see, to put away, so I thought I would do a quick time lapse of that because why not? It's productive. So let's get into it. And also I'm wearing this hoodie because it got really cold because my room is very cold. So okay guys, so I just got my package that I ordered like a couple days ago, actually 2 days ago. So I'm just gonna open it up. So I got this bullet journal, which I'm super excited about. It's like 96 pages, I guess. So I'm gonna do some planning on this. I'll do a video of me setting it up. And then I got my supplies for my birthday party that I'm having. So I gotta like put all this together, so got that. So that's pretty much what I got. Not that much. Just needed to get some stuff. So yeah, that is that. So great haul, guys.
end of the night and I'm tired, so I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you want more of these types of productive routine videos. Hopefully this inspires you to be more productive and get things done, because at the end of the day it feels really good. So if you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys.